animals here? What is everyone?
Cat.
Sheep.
Dog.
Dog.
Pig. Cat.
Very cute. Rabbit. Giraffe. Turtle. Toucan. Crab. Fish. Flamingo. Okay. Who can sing for me the song? Oh, Macdonald. Okay.
Oh my God, I had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm they had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. Then a moo here and a moo there, then a moo everywhere, moo. Oh my God, I had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh my God, I had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm they had a sheep, E-I-E-I-o. And a baba here and a baba there, little everywhere, baba. Oh my God, I had a farm, E-I-E-I-o.
One more.
Oh my God, I had a farm, E-I-E-I-o. And on the farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-o. And a woof woof there, and a woof woof there, and a woof there, woof everywhere, woof woof. Oh my God, I had a farm, E-I-E-I-o.
Okay, thank you. Okay, everyone clap your hands together. Clap your hands. Can you clap your hands? 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 Right. Okay. I see lots of animals here. I see a school of fish. I have a school of fish here. Many fish. Many fishes. School of fish. So, school of fish. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fish. Is that alright? 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fishes. Alright. Okay, let's sing that song. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fishes. 4 little, 5 little. I have to repeat it. You sing it and I count, okay? 4 little, 5
Little 6, little 8,
7 little, 8
little 9, little fishes, 10 little fishes in the water.
in the sea. Alright. So I see a school of fish. A school of fish. Many fishes. Cannot count. A school of fish. Like we go to school. Okay. A school of fish. Good job. Keep quiet, everyone. Okay. So now I'm gonna put all the animals here. Okay. I see the tail of a dog. Can you find me which animal has a tail? Which? Okay.
A fox, a cow,
One only. Alright.
a cow.
A cow. A cow has a tail too. Can you find? Oh, sorry. A cow. Let's sit down. Can you find me another animal with the tail?
Me, cow.
Cow already. Another animal with the tail.
Fox, a cow.
A cow already. Another one.
Me.
Which animal has a tail?
Me.
Okay.
Pig.
A pig. A pig. Very good. Now, which animal has a tail? Tail.
Pig.
Pig already. Another one. Okay, top pig already. Raise your hand. None, please.
Rabbit.
Is it rabbit with a tail? Very good. A tail. Okay. What animal has a tail? To be a sheep. A sheep has a tail? Alright, sheep has a tail here, right? Which animal has a tail? Me. Giraffe. Oh, it has a tail here. Which animal has a tail?
Me.
Okay. Hold. Giraffe. Okay, giraffe and another one. Like,
Meow, meow, meow.
is that?
Giraffe.
No. Meow.
Me. A giraffe. Meow.
Meow and a cat. A cat has a tail, here a long tail. Which animal has a tail? Okay.
A turtle.
A turtle? Good job. A turtle has a tail here. Which animal has a tail? There are lots of animals.
Lion.
Raise your hand, please.
It's lion.
It's a lion. Wrong. Which animal has a tail more? Do you have a lot of animals?
Me.
Okay.
An elephant.
An elephant. Good job.
Dragonfly.
Three.
It's crocodile.
A crocodile has a long, long tail. Stop. Okay. Corner right here. Yes. Which animal has the tail more?
Me.
Okay.
A dragon.
What?
A dragon.
A dragon. What that animal? I don't know what that
A
means.
dragon.
A dragon? Dragon with a tail. Good job. Which animal has the tail?
And squirrel.
Squirrel. Now I'm gonna put the turtle here. Turtle.
Anh nhập khẩu của cháu này chưa?
Sheep.
Bạn đi em đi hỏi
Giraffe.
em không đi bắt đầu biết.
Rabbit. Cat.
Đầu tiên là gì ạ?
Pig.
Pig.
Cow. Dog. Toucan. Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We are not afraid, we're not afraid. Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We are not afraid, we're not afraid. One step, two step, three step, forward. One step, two step, three step, back.
Công ty năm em sẽ anh lại xin vậy.
Listen, what's that? It's a toucan! We're not afraid. Okay. Wanna sit down? A toucan. So next, okay.
Rabbit.
Apple. Apple. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream cone. Sorry. Ice cream cone. Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Pig.
Ice cream.
Whipped cream. Bread.
Bread. Cucumber. Pear. Pumpkin. Banana.
Mango.
Mango.
Mango. Potato.
Watermelon.
Pear.
Peach.
Peach. Peach. Peach. Chị bảo pear.
Peach.
Peach. Peach. Pear. Pear. Egg. Egg.
In the light of the moon,
Egg.
lay on the leaf. One sunny morning, the warm sun came up, and out of the egg came a tiny and very
Hungry
hungry
caterpillar.
caterpillar. He started to look for some food.
He
On Monday, he ate through one apple. Yum, yum, yum. And he was still very hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through one pear. And he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through one
potato.
and he was still
Hungry.
on Thursday. He ate through one
Mango.
Mango. Okay. On Saturday, he ate through one
Peach.
peach. On Sunday, he ate through one
Watermelon.
Now he comes big. He comes small, big. Okay. And then he lived down in the cocoon for 2 weeks. And then after 2 weeks, the Sunday, the sun come again, and then he put his wing.